My name is Robbie Meehan and I am a geologist, and I'm here in County Galway, just outside the town of Gort, and along with three colleagues, Matthew Parks, Ronan Hennessy and Vincent Gallagher, I have been working for the last few years on a geological heritage audit of the county. Now that's relevant because of Heritage Week, obviously, geological heritage is in there, but it sounds very boring. You talk about geology and audit together, you're thinking about accountants, you're thinking about geologists, it couldn't get more boring, but it's actually the opposite. What I've been doing is that I've been studying with my colleagues the wonderful county of Galway and the wonderful geological heritage sites it has. And if you think about County Galway, you think about places like Cannahowna, you think about Glengowla mines on the way into Uachtarard. You think about the beautiful lowlands around Gort where we are now, where we've got limestone, where we've got caves, where we've got turloughs and swallowholes. And you think of the wonderful eskers and bogs in northeast Galway, heading up towards Tuam and Dunmore. So Galway has a very, very rich geological heritage. We have looked at almost 200 sites in the last few years. We've surveyed them individually, we've examined the geology of them, and we've ranked them. And we have listed 134 geological heritage sites in Galway as a result of that process. And those 134 sites are broken into different themes. Where we are now in Gort, it's slap bang in the middle of the centre of the karst theme. This is a karstic landscape. And it's karstic because the area around us is underlain by limestone bedrock, pure bedded limestone. If you're driving from Galway City, if you're driving east along the M6, or if you're driving south towards Limerick, through Gort and around the bypass of the town, you'll actually see the limestone outcropping in the road cuttings along the motorway. This beautiful blue bedded rock. And we have that here in a fairly nice little wooded area just outside Gort, where we can see the limestone beds cropping out at the surface, just at the edge of this river. But the amazing thing about this river is actually disappearing underground into the limestone, into what's called a swallow hole. And if we look at the central area of the river here, we can actually see a whirlpool type effect, where the water is disappearing underground. It's not flowing on into a channel, it's disappearing underground, and it re-emerges a few kilometres to the west of here, out through a cave at Pollduagh, which is called Pollduagh because it's a black cave, Pollduagh. The Gort River rises there and then flows off towards Kinvara Bay. So where we are here, just outside Gort, this has been designated a geological heritage site because we have a number of swallow holes and a number of huge springs where the river actually rises again and then it sinks underground and rises, and you have a very complex system involving these rivers that disappear into rock and then re-emerge as very large springs over quite a short distance.